Hello,
Hello
everyone.
everyone. Welcome to our channel. This is Rose and Rag. So today we are going to Bempton Cliffs. I hope you're all excited. So in this place, the moment you stand on the edge of that cliff, you will be mesmerized with the view and the sounds of the birds chirping. Peace is what you get when you're close to nature. And this is the best example of that. Let me walk you through the location of Bempton Cliffs.
Bempton Cliffs is about 20 miles from Scarborough. Bempton Cliffs is the UK's largest seabird colony. You can literally witness 500,000 birds nesting on the edgy rocks of the cliff. You will just fall in love when you stand on one of the edges, just watching the blue sea with birds jumping from the cliff to catch the fish. I would strongly advise you guys to visit this place on a sunny day. It will make a lot of difference.
So, a little more in detail, there are 6 safe points, like viewpoints in Bempton Cliffs with proper fencing around, which is really good. If you have a telescope or binoculars with you, make sure you carry it. They also have plenty of parking spaces around for additional vehicles as well. And to enter in, you would buy a ticket at the reception. I think it costs at around £5 for adults and half price for kids as well. You can buy souvenirs here as well, to take back home as a memory. And of course, if you're traveling with kids, this goes without saying, please be careful around the edges as well.
And you can inquire about the leisure activities of the day as they do bird watching sessions with guides, etc. But if you fancy learning more about the birds and the varieties, please speak for the guide at the reception. They actually provide some guides just in case if you need one.
Also, to cover this entire place, you pretty much would need an entire day. And just to spend time close to nature and just to be at peace with yourself as well. If you do not have that much of time as well, at least make sure you spend half a day around here, because it's absolutely splendid, and trust me, you would not regret it.
And if you decide to take like a long walk along the coastal path, on the cliff, please do wear a proper shoe, I would suggest. Proper shoe and bottle of water can actually help you relax whenever you take that long walk. There is a small sandwich shop in the reception just in case if you're hungry. You will notice benches sponsored by people for the remembrance of their loved ones here. I personally love that gesture of remembering your dear ones. You can sit on the benches and just take rest if you are on a long walk spree.
Also, to add in, I was amazed at the number of different kinds of birds you find here. And above all, the fact that they all live among each other, with lots of peace and love. And you will definitely love that view. You will also see a wide variety of other birds like puffins and seagulls, etc. In addition to that, you can hire binoculars from the reception if you're keen to explore the kind of behavior that the birds exhibit and just the general area around as well.
And please make sure you carry your camera to not regret later. You will get like mind-blowing views captured here. An everlasting picture frame of yours will be a wonderful memory in your living room wall. Make sure you capture that cute dog nose shaped cliff.
Also, to be honest, I was never into fishing. I think it needs a lot of patience, which I clearly lack. But I've observed a lot of people fishing around here with long fishing ropes, which was kind of scary because they were doing it from the edge of the cliff. Now, I'm not sure if this is legal or if authorities would actually allow people to do it, because it did look a bit dangerous as well.
Please note that the reception closes at 5 p.m., so you may not get any assistance outside these hours. But if you reach late to this center, you may not access to the cliff, to the reception. But don't be sad, and you can find a way to enter via side route. There is a side route, like you can, literally go. I mean, there are no gates, just in case, if you reach after 5 o'clock, so don't be really sad about it. I hope you really visit this place, as you can see like spectacular views from here. Try taking your friends and family too. Thanks a lot.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it for you. And please do subscribe to our channel as well for lots more wonderful content. Thank you.
I am sat here thinking of you once again. Songs in my head now, they all make sense.
must realize we need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. Bright our lives, and all of us in our hearts. There's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. Time we were standing on the rooftop, you shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water, and you just keep drowning. Days of thunder I hear, they come when you're near. Why must all that I touch always fall into dust? We are fluid like the ocean waters, but you only crave for solid ground. The comfort I can offer, just this once for the city before us. So tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me I'm loved and tell me I matter. I'll keep you from drowning. Days of thunder I hear, they come